In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Notion. If you've ever dropped a photo into a Notion page and wished it were a bit bigger or smaller, this is a quick and easy adjustment you can make in just a few seconds. I'll walk you through it slowly so you understand exactly what to look for and how to get a clean result. First, make sure the image you want to resize is on your page and clearly visible. Go ahead and select your image by clicking directly on it. This helps Notion know that you're working with that specific block. If nothing seems to happen, don't worry. Just click once more to ensure it's focused. You should notice a subtle visual highlight around the image, which confirms it's selected. Next, move your cursor toward the edge of the image. The key here is to hover right along the border, not in the middle of the picture. As you glide along the sides or corners, watch for your cursor to change into a two-headed arrow pointing in opposite directions. If you don't see it immediately, slow down and trace the edge carefully. Sometimes it takes a moment to find the exact spot. Once you see that two-headed arrow, click, hold, and drag. Pull outward to make the image larger, or inward to make it smaller. Move steadily so you can land on the precise size you want. Notion keeps the proportions of your image intact as you drag, so you don't need to press any extra keys to avoid warping. When the image looks right, release the mouse or trackpad, and you're done. A couple of quick tips as you resize. If you're working inside a multi-column layout, the maximum width of your image is limited by the column it's in, so the image won't stretch beyond that column's width. If your picture looks a bit blurry after enlarging, that usually means the original file isn't high resolution. In that case, try using a higher quality version and resize again for a crisper look. And if you accidentally grab another block or lose the resize cursor, just click the image once more to refocus and try the edge again. That's all there is to it. Select your image, hover near the edge until the two-headed arrow appears, then click, hold, and drag to adjust the size. Simple, fast, and it makes your pages look exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and have fun refining your Notion workspace.